Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Abdurrahman Ramadan, short video. Let's talk. Just to let you know, this video is going to be entirely in English, but I include the Arabic subtitles right at the bottom. All what you need to do is just look for the CC button, click on it, and the translation or the subtitles should pop up there for you. Okay? So I decided to come in the garage this morning because it's kind of windy and chilly out there, and that will make the sound quality the best. And it's nice and warm here. I'm not really a big fan of cold weather. I know this is not cold for lots of people, but it's cold enough for me. I'm a summer person. I like heat. So it's the weekend and I decided to go shopping today. I really wanted to visit that new branch they opened for Chapters bookstore in Cataract Mall, where I actually recommend all my Canadian friends to go and visit the store. You will love it. Very well designed, very nice and quiet as usual. But it's this bookstore is kind of different than any other Chapters you will see anywhere else. And the great news is that I bought this book for you guys to work from this book with you, called Easy English Step by Step for ESL learners. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. So I picked that book off the shelf and I sat down and I went through the content. I love the way the book is categorized. It's amazing. It's very easy to understand, very easy to go through it. Like very well organized. This book mainly talks about like all different categories of English, and we will go over the content very quick. Like talks about meeting people, how to greet people, formal and informal. Talks about hobbies and routines. Talks about health and medicine, shopping, and all this kind of stuff. It's day-to-day life conversation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to summarize this book and convert it into videos, and I will post those videos on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I don't really talk about it much. On my personal page on Facebook, on Let's Talk page on Facebook as well. All what you need to do, if you're a YouTube lover, you can just go and subscribe for the channel, and if you're a Facebook lover, you can like and follow my personal page and like and follow Let's Talk page as well. This book is rich. It's I would consider it a full English course for any ESL learners. This will help you a lot to improve and develop your communication skills. So we will work together from this book. We will learn something new together every day or every weekend. I will try to post actually more videos if I've got time. I'm really sorry. I try to do my best here. And yeah, like this book is going to be such a great experience to share with you guys. It's amazing. So yeah, so I bought this book for you. I'm not gonna charge you for anything. Don't you worry about it. Got your back, buddy. Just kidding, right? And at the end of this video, I want to share a quote with you by John Kennedy, the ex-president of the United States. He says, "Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction." Yeah, and that was it for this weekend video, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for the YouTube channel. I will include the link at the top of this video, and like and follow my personal page and Let's Talk page. Share with your family and friends. Maybe someone out there, he needs it. Alright, thanks very much and have yourself a wonderful day. Peace.